you've decided to do this. Tighten it up for me.
Yes.
The capital ratios and your profitability, Casper, how will they improve? Put some beef on the bone for us. Good morning.
Good morning. Good to be on the phone. I think we need to start one step back and understand what Nordea is and who Nordea is. And Nordea is a bank with 4 home markets, where we are a leading or the leading bank in all 4: Norway, Sweden, Denmark, and Finland. And with that Nordic footprint and with the size we have felt that the only way really to develop the bank forward is actually to be in a regulatory environment or regulatory regime where we have the predictability, the stability, and also the kind of level playing field. And that is what the banking union actually gives us. And that has been the key criteria. Yes, there are some savings that we have actually highlighted on resolution fees and alike. There may be a capital impact, which we are not speculating yet because I think it's too early. But I think the key driver has been the one I mentioned. We want to be in that environment. We are creating one Nordea with one way of operating, with one core bank system. And then we also need to be in an environment where we are regulated with our European peers. That has been the driving factor.
That has been the driving factor. Can I ask you, I mean, everybody's writing their notes this morning that you've broken this news. They're writing their notes. They're talking about your capital. They're talking about the propensity for dividends. So I want to push you a little bit more on that. You've talked about the potential savings of €1 billion. You must have some bandwidth perception of how much capital, less capital you will need to keep. Can you guide the market?
No, we're not guiding on that. I think there's a number of still open issues in not only for Nordea, all banks. We have the end of Basel III, or I guess we all call it Basel IV now, that may come in going into the banking union and being under SSM supervision. We will go through the TRIM exercise, etc. So in that sense, I think we are very clear that we will aim to keep our AA rating. We aim to keep our capital policy. And we also aim to keep the dividend policy that we have announced, and hence do not speculate yet at this point with those. I'm happy for others to make those assessments, but we are not speculating on that as of yet, at least.